Blessings, Starshine. This is Smadar from Song of Stones, and I'm here with this beautiful being who has a crystal blessing for you. And that, what a crystal blessing is, in case you don't know, it is a moment of connection with the stone beings in order to receive a gift from them, an energetic gift. And in doing so, as a little bonus, you end up also connecting to yourself, because you need to be in a state of presence in order to receive the energetic gift, and that means connecting to that part of yourself that can receive and hear the energy of the world and the silent songs of the ethereal beings and the stone beings. So that's just a little bonus of connecting to the stone beings. And then when you do this on a regular basis, each time you connect, you strengthen that listening skill, that deep connection to all that is. So this is one of the reasons we offer these every day, well, most days, and that because so that you can, I get very distracted by the crystals. They do that to me all the time. They're so beautiful. Anyways, so what I was saying is that's one of the reasons we offer these crystal blessings, is so that you have the opportunity to connect with us on a regular basis and strengthen your extra senses. That's, I guess, as good a word as any. Your super senses. I think that I like that better. Yes. Okay, so who do we have here? This is actually not a stone. It's a shell. It's they're called, this is maybe not a romantic name, operculum, and I don't know if I pronounced it right. Cat's eye operculum. And I discovered that because I was so enamored with these shells, and I didn't know what they were called, so I didn't know how to get them. So I did a little research, and that's what I discovered. And this might look familiar because we recently had Shiva Shell, and I don't know if we did a crystal blessing with it, or it was just on our website and social media, but we did have one recently, and it's very similar, except that one was polished. This one is not as polished. And the other ones, they were white. They didn't have the cat's eye. And you could see by looking at it why they call it a cat's eye. And the more you look at it, the more it looks like a cat's eye. It's pretty magnificent. And the color is so deep and rich. Really rich. So you might have also noticed that we've had a lot of water stones lately. There must be a reason that I'm being called by the water stones to show them to you and to put them up on my website. I think that we must need the water energy at this time, something, whatever's happening in the universe, that maybe a lot of us are needing to connect to the water stones. So let's begin by rooting into the earth and feeling our invisible strands extending far deep into the earth and all the way around the globe. And know that we are held in every moment by the earth. And when we need to feel grounded, if we put our attention there, that's all we need to do. Root deep down into the earth. And then put your attention on your breath. Feeling your breath moving through your body, coming in and going out. And we do this without trying to change anything and without judging our breath. Just putting our attention there, that's all. And awareness is very powerful, really shifts you into a deep state of presence. And when you're there, that's when you can receive the gift, and all you have to do is open your heart and say yes to the gift that is coming to you from this crystalline one, to wherever in the world you happen to be, and whenever in time that you happen to be listening to it. It's as if it's happening in real time, and it is for the crystals, because they're way beyond that space-time, earthly boundary that we are so tied to. And then just turn your attention inwards and notice where you're feeling that gift. Where is it landing for you? Are you feeling it in your body, in a physical sensation, or an emotional reaction, or are words coming to you, or images forming in your third eye? There's no right or wrong, and it can happen differently for different people, and it can happen differently for the same person each time. The crystals speak to us in many different ways. They don't limit themselves in how they communicate. And if you're not feeling anything, don't worry. It doesn't mean you didn't receive the gift, because you did. And all you need to do is continue. All you need to do is trust that it's yours. But if you want to begin to start feeling it, just continue to connect with the crystals. And you can do that with us during the crystal blessings, or on your own, just sitting and being present with a crystal. That's all you need to do. So we send you off today with many blessings and lots of love.